Hi guys! Pagkatapos namin mag-stroll, eto na, mga nagutom oh. Saan ka pa? Oh, tingnan mo yung isa doon oh. Sarap ng kain. Kanin! Kanin is life. Si ate kanin is life.
Sila nag-burger.
Oh, gutom na raw yung isa doon. Oh, nandito lang kami sa turo-turo. Yan. Oh. Ganito lang buhay. Yan. Hindi kami maarte. Ano kami? Matatao. Hi sir! How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wow, honey. English?
Siyempre,
English, Sherry.
pwede ako kumakain.
So, we ordered this. Hello, Beijing. Beijing. Yan. So, this is the Bing's, the popular restaurant. At masarap. Ha? Ay kagat already, oh. Alam naman nila na yan. So, it is good. If you are on a diet, this is a good burger for you. Kasi what's inside is chicken, vegetables, and spicy. Yeah.
Bibenta siya ng burger.
And then if you go for late dinner, the portion of their food are discounted. So like for this one, kinakain ni ate,
Maganda mo.
that is before 12.99, ngayon is 9.79. 8.79 na lang. Oh, so discounted.
17 mo dati.
17 dati?
879.
No, I mean if it's not sale on sale. 12.79 plus tax. Oh, yun, so that could be like 13 or 14 bucks. So, $4. You save $4. So, and it's a good food. Yan. So, let's enjoy. Okay, hold on.
Mag-aaway muna tayo.
Away muna tayo ngayon.
Mag-aaway muna tayo.
Gusto mo bumili doon ng ano, drink? Coke drink. Coke drink. Sate tayo. Coke.
Ba't hindi mo?
Meron lang. Ayun na, ito. Ayun na. Come on. Go. Go, papa. Kinakain siya. Wala, may ganito ka? Yun, hinangin yung isa o nalaglag. Ate, hinangin. Sayang. Lagyan mo sa ilalim. Yan. You go and get the drinks. Come on. Yun na. So juicy siya. Right? A little bit spicy and sweet. I cannot read kung kailan siya established.
Bumili sa blue.
So if you eat this, you need something to drink. Pair with Diet Coke. Inutusan natin si Sir. Okay guys, so have a good night, have a good weekend, and tomorrow is Sunday. It's time to praise, give thanks to God. God bless!